Hey guys, Andrew here for Nextrift, and today we're gonna unbox the Asus ROG Zephyrus Duo 15. It's a bit of a mouthful, but we're gonna unbox this now to see exactly what you get with this premium gaming laptop. And this is the charger, but we'll get to that later. Alright. What happens is, it folds out like this, and then when you lift this, the laptop itself actually comes up as well. This is the laptop itself, covered in all the plastic and stuff. And inside the box, we have instructions, probably. Yep. Aside from that, there is a wrist rest, and there's this nice Republic of Gamers font on the back of the wrist rest. Guess we're gonna open the power adapter first. Let's keep this for the last, yeah? Okay, so this is the main power adapter, and it's rated at 240 watt, so it's a powerful unit. Enough to power the RTX 2080 Super GPU in this particular variant. Actually, for the Malaysian market, there is only RTX 2080 Super, so you don't get the more affordable RTX 2070 one. But I digress. There is also a Type-C charger, so it is possible to charge this laptop with this, but you wouldn't be able to game at full power if you use this particular adapter. And these are the plugs for the power adapter, and this is one's for the Type-C and another one's for the full barrel type power adapter. And another one inside here is, I think this is the mouse. Right, this is the ROG Gladius 2 mouse, and let's open it up. And this is the mouse. It's quite nice. So that's the mouse. Let's put it there. And let's get to the star of the show. So while I'm opening this slowly, let's talk about some of the specs of this machine. For one, it's actually a very thin machine, measuring only 20mm thin, and you would think it would make it a portable machine, but this machine actually weighs 2.4 kilograms, so you definitely wouldn't want to lug this laptop around, and just holding it with one hand is actually quite tiring right now. Okay, so this is the laptop, and I can open with only one hand. That's great. And as you can see, there are two displays on this gaming laptop. One on the bottom, right above the keyboard, and the primary display, which is a 15.6-inch panel, either with 4K resolution or a faster 1080p 300Hz display. Okay, so we've plugged it in, so let's switch on the laptop now to see what we have here. Classic. Okay, now that it's booted up, let's talk about the Zephyrus Duo 15 and what you get for 20,000 ringgit. That's right, this gaming laptop retails at 19,999 ringgit here in Malaysia. Under the hood of this gaming laptop is none other than Intel's latest 10th generation Core i9-10980HK processor, which is overclockable, and it is paired with an Nvidia GeForce RTX 2080 Super Max-Q GPU. With these two components, you will definitely get extremely good gaming performance out of the Zephyrus Duo 15. Besides that, there are also two display options for the Malaysian market. This one right here is a 15.6-inch 4K display, and the other is a much faster 300Hz panel, but with only a 1080p resolution. If you want the best gaming experience, it's best to go for the 300Hz panel option, but that particular variant will only be available here sometime in September. Right now, at this moment, only the 4K option is available. If you're wondering, both display options cost the same. You still have to pay 20,000 ringgit for either display options. Other specifications of the Zephyrus Duo 15 for the Malaysian market include 32 gigs of RAM, 2TB of SSD storage, and of course, this 14.1-inch ScreenPad Plus, which is also a 4K panel. And that is it for this unboxing of the Asus ROG Zephyrus Duo 15. If you want to read our hands-on of this laptop, click the link in the description box down below for our write-up on nextrift.com. Like this video if you like it, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and always stay tuned for more good stuff to come here at Nextrift.